Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on TCL for NxtPaper. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Then click install. Now you can click open. And now click this button to skip introduction. And here click open permissions. And click on AI assistant. And click here to allow this app to draw over other apps, and then click back and back again. And now click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.